Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi A7. So from any screen here, we can either go to telephone or menu, but you'll see here, if I click telephone, it's brought this screen up and you've got settings in the bottom right hand corner. These 4 buttons correspond to each corner, so if you see an instruction in the corner, you click on the corresponding button and that's what it'll do. So we go to settings here, click settings. That's brought up a new menu. You've got telephone settings, Bluetooth connections, or Bluetooth there, and then connections. If we click connections, if we click Bluetooth, device management, Bluetooth visible, audio player, MMI name. So device management, click. Find new devices, or you'll see my phone listed there. That's what I want. I'll click on my phone, and then if I turn it down here, go all the way down, off the screen, you'll see delete Bluetooth device. And you can also set preferred. If 2 of you get in the same time and yours is the preferred one, it'll connect to yours, not the other one. So delete Bluetooth. That's it, gone.